Hello friends, today I am going to draw log in AutoCAD by using simple command. So you have to first of all take line to horizontal by clicking the F on your keyboard, specify the length of line which I have assigned it 50 mm, again 50 mm, direction 50 mm, this time you can also type C in order to close this time. Now to the decline, I will F, enter, R, enter, type the radius to the 10 mm, with this line, and then press enter, this line, press enter, this line, this line, press enter, this line, and then this line. Now make it fusion by using R, E, G, enter, select the entire object, click enter, entity. You want it to be a single entity. Click the home button, type txt or just choose store from the command toolbar, make it text store, then also type ext, enter, next store, with the expression height 20 mm. Now type C enter, point, this is going to be this direction, so first of all we have to change UTF, type UTF, enter, F, enter, select this, enter. Now turn of C enter, make it address 4 mm, 4, and then enter, select the center point, radius 4 mm. Now draw a line L, enter, select the center in this direction, with the length of 30 mm, enter, take it and give the length of 30 mm, now select the line, type F, enter, R, enter for radius, and give the radius of 15 mm, take this line and this line, again press enter, and give this line, now turn the line, again save, enter, select this line, and R to join them, and this is join the line. Now make a lock, select lock command from command toolbar, and select this circle and this circle, press enter, select the path, and click on this path. Okay, you can change the view, see the realistic view. Yes. Now we'll change the UCS, US, enter, F, enter, select this step. Now let's use key group, line, enter, 3 mm, enter, here 10 mm, enter, I just click this 20. Make a circle by using key, enter, take the radius, center point, and give the radius of circle, or give the diameter of circle to enter 5 mm. Now trim CR, double enter, trim this, through line, reference line up to an enter. Now move this between the this kind of click here. Now delete this line. Now next circle. To the enter, 5 enter, and copy this circle by using CO. Select this circle, enter this point, click here, 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 press to with this PR, double X, press here, go towards your curve, here, this, here, there, this, here, and this circle here, this one outside, curve, here, sorry, here, then on the circle, I do enter, same diameter, do enter, 5, press 4, PR, double X, enter, select this circle, this press 4, select by using command select, select this one, do with radius of select here, enter, click enter, select the corner, enter, select the corner, press enter, select the corner, and now this log is ready. You can also assign the material for this log. This outside of it for assigning material type MST, enter, select the material body line, scale, just click and drag on the material. You can see you can slice anyone want. Okay.